Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Okay, now let's continue with the third topic, that is operation on matrices. Okay, basically the operation on matrices is quite similar with the numbers, but the difference is there is no division in operation on matrices. Okay, we have equality, we have addition, subtraction, and multiplication, but not division. Okay, so let's start with the first one, equality of matrices. Two matrices A and B are equal, written as A equal to B, if they have the same size and their corresponding entries are equal. So all the entries are equal. Okay, for example, okay, let's say we have a matrix, let's say we have a matrix 2 by 2, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and we have another matrix B equals to 1 2 3 4. Okay, since you have the same size for A and B and all the entries are equal in A and B, so we say that matrix A equals to matrix B. Okay, so the equality of matrices is not only restricted for the n times n or the square matrix. It can also use for other types of matrix. For example, if you have, let's say, matrix C is 2 by 3 matrix, for example 1 3 1 2 4 5, 3 by 3 matrix, and let's say you have another one, D is also 1 3 1 2 4 5, so we say that matrix C equals to matrix D. Okay, next let's continue with the second one, addition and subtraction of matrices. Okay, so the sum or differences of A and B is the matrix obtained by adding or subtract the corresponding entries of A and B. Let's look at from example. So we have here given A is 3 4 1 2 1 5 4 1. It is a 2 by 4 matrix, and then we have B is 1 0 negative 1 negative 2 3 negative 1 0 and 2 with the same size, that is 2 by 4. Okay, so you have to add or subtract the corresponding entries of A and B. Okay, for example, let's say if you want to find we want to find A plus B, so meaning here it will be, so 3 plus 1, and then the second one we have 4 plus 0, 1 minus 1, or 1 plus negative 1, and then we have 2 plus negative 2, so it's similar thing. And then we have 1 plus 3, 5 minus 1, and then 4 plus 0, and lastly we have 1 plus 2. Okay, so when you simplify, you will get your A plus B will be 4 4 0 0, and then 4 4 4 3. If you want to find your A plus B, you can just keep this working. Okay class, so you can just skip. So we just write the answer for A plus B, that is this one. Okay, so how about if we want to find A minus B? So if you want to find A minus B, let's say we skip the first working. So you will get 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 minus 0 is 4, 1 minus 1 will be 2, 2 minus 2 will be 4, 1 minus 3 will be negative 2, 5 minus 1 will be 6, and 4 minus 0 is 4, and lastly you will get 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So this is your answer for A minus B. Okay, so make sure, okay, the conditions that we have here is both A and B must be in the same size. Okay, so both matrices must be in the same sizes. Okay, all right. Okay, continue with the third operation. Okay, we have scalar multiplication. Okay, so for scalar multiplication, let A be a matrix and C be a scalar. Okay, so meaning we have a matrix and a scalar. Then the scalar multiple CA is the matrix obtained by multiplying each entry of A by the scalar C. Right? So we have here, let's say we have the matrix X is 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 1. Okay, and we want to find for example A, we want to find 2x, 2 times matrix X. So that means here you will get 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 1. So meaning here each entry of A must be multiplied with the scalar C. So your answer will be now is 2 times 1 will be 2. So meaning here everything will be multiplied with 2. Okay. Alright. Okay, so what will be the answer? So the answer will be 2, 4, 8, 2, 6, and 2. This one. Okay. Let's say B, we want to multiply with the scalar 1 over 5, for example. 1 over 5 x. So it will be 1 over 5 times 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 1. So what will be the answer? It will be 1 over 5, 2 over 5, 4 over 5, 1 over 5, 3 over 5, and 1 over 5. So this is your final answer. Remember, you only have multiplication in matrix. So meaning here, you have to write in the form of scalar multiplication. If you can see here, it will be a scalar numbers times with a matrix. Okay, so you cannot write as x over 5. No. Okay, so do not write as x over 5. So this is wrong because you cannot divide your matrix with numbers. Okay.